Oh my God. I think I forgot to film the intro to this. So, great. Great, Rina. I'm just on pause mode now because I can't believe I forgot the intro on this. But anyways,
I'm really concerned about this powder finish because I have dry skin, and you know your girl can handle anything that's gonna emphasize the dry skin. Like, do I literally have dry skin anxiety on this like all the time? Because I really do. And if you have dry skin, you know the anxiety. Okay, but hold on. I haven't prepped my skin yet, so let me prep my skin. My skin has been really, really dry lately, so I'm going to go in with a Frisali Rose Gold Elixir. If I have any specks of hot sauce on my face, because I just ate some wings, so I'm sorry ahead of time. So I'm going to use this Rose Gold Elixir. It's the 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. And you don't need a lot. I'm just going to only put like just a little bit, just a dollop. People like, I know when you watch Instagram, people go insane and they just like put so much on. So I'm going to prep my skin with the oil, and then I'm also going to go in with the unicorn essence because my skin is feeling a little dry. California has had the fires going on. The air quality has not been the best, and my skin has been suffering. My lungs have been suffering. So I'm just going to do a little bit more extra skin prep. Now I'm going to go in with the unicorn essence. This one I do go in with it a little bit because I really love how hydrating it is. My skin is nice and prepped now. It's ready for some foundation. Now that my skin is nice and prepped, you guys, I'm going to go in with a brush first. I'm going to use this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. This is one of my favorite foundation brushes, you guys. It's so affordable. It's bombacious. I'm going to use this first on one side, and then I'm going to go in and use it. Oh, look at this packaging. This is interesting. Okay, first of all, I'm not a fan of the packaging already. I like this part of the packaging, like the decor, all that's really nice. It's really lush packaging. I like that you can see the foundation color on the outside. Super cute. I love the logo. Everything's really cute about it. And then you open it and then you see this. Why? Why? Just why? I don't get it. I hate packaging like this. I prefer a pump. Oh, I guess you can squeeze it from right here. And it's super liquidy, so ugh. It has more of a regular foundation. I was expecting it to be a little bit more liquidy. Okay. Last time I tried Kat Von D foundation, I didn't have the best experience. So this definitely goes on really nice. I mean, the color is pretty accurate. Like, look at how accurate that color is. It does feel really heavy on the skin. It has a very powdery feel to it already. I can already feel the powders to it. It's a tad bit heavy, but it like literally melts into your skin and it feels like velvet. And I'm gonna tell you, this is weird. How this is going on my skin is weird. I'm really, let me see. Let me look at myself in a detailed mirror, because this is like a little too far away. You know, you could tell when you put yourself through a magnifying. I mean, it kind of looks dull. It doesn't really have a radiant finish to it. So that's like something I'm not really looking forward to. It's a little dull and the coverage is not the best. And right here, it's really not covering. I think I'm going to go ahead and having to use my corrector. So I'm just going to go in and use my corrector over on top, and then I'll blend this out because it was not covering my dark areas because it gets really dark over here. It almost looks really ashy really fast. So I'm just going to kind of cover that area up. Okay, so time to go in with a beauty blender. So I definitely don't like this with a beauty blender. I really like it with a foundation brush. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more. I'm going to see how it looks with buildable coverage. So yeah, this is very difficult to press out. Like, it's not even user friendly. Like, look, you guys, do you guys see this? Yeah, this is not going to work. Okay. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's like they were trying to be innovative, but then it became like, it It was like, hey, you guys, everyone's coming out with innovative packaging. We need to create something innovative packaging. Oh my gosh, a tube inside a hard case. So innovative. Yeah, no, that was not innovative at all. Sorry to be so harsh, you guys. I try to stay as positive as I can with products, but when it just is like so dumb, it's really hard for me to stay positive because I'm speechless. But I must admit, building this up, it looks really nice. Does not look bad. The coverage is not that great. I feel like I have to use a lot of foundation to get really good full coverage. So if you're someone that really likes light foundation, but you can still kind of get a good amount of coverage, then this foundation is for you. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my whole face, and I'm going to go ahead and, you know, dazzle it up, and then I'll be back and I'll let you guys know what this does. Is it drying fast? As of right now, this dries really, really fast, and if you could look at my face, it looks really, really nice. It does have an extreme yellow undertone, which is still good because I like yellow undertones because then I can just warm up my face and I don't really have to worry about orange clashing with my bronzer, because I'd rather warm up my face versus having an orangey foundation, and that's not the problem here. This is just more of a yellow foundation, which I'm okay with it. I like it. The color is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my whole face and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished up my makeup, and now I'm gonna say that this dries down pretty nice. It's a very comfortable to wear right now. It's not feeling as cakey as it was feeling in the beginning, even though I have so many layers on. But I don't like the powdery look of my face. I really don't. Not yet. I'm going to go ahead and use some setting spray and, you know, just do some and see what that does. Maybe that will help this look less powdery and a little bit more. I mean, I like powder velvet, but it's just really powdery. So I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, put some setting spray, let it settle in, and I'm going to wear this the whole day, and then I'll let you guys know how it performs, how's it going, what's going on with it. So I'm going to go ahead and wear this the rest of the day, you guys, and I'll be back to check it in with you guys. So I've had this foundation on for about 5-6 hours. If you can see, it really hasn't budged yet. It's been on my face for quite a couple of hours, and it has not budged. Like, it's literally like, hello, we are sticking here. We are not going anywhere. And I like that. I love the staying power. Literally hasn't budged. It looks really, really smooth. You can still kind of see my skin underneath it, but I do feel like it's starting to kind of fade in this area just a tad bit. And I literally put on like 4 layers, I think, you guys, or even 3, maybe. Yeah, 3 or 2. I mean, I was going in strong, and I feel like there shouldn't be any signs of fading, but there's a little bit of signs of fading here. But other than that, it does look good though. It's like, it does look good. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so it is officially the end of the night. For some reason, my eyes are super burning today. I think it's my lashes, like I didn't set them correctly or something. I don't know. Or maybe I think I'm getting a little sick, but I don't know. I sure am very groggy. But anyways, if you look at this foundation, it is nice. It lasted. I mean, my skin looks really pretty. Like, it did fade a little bit right here, and I'm still kind of having an issue with it right here in the chin area. It did crease just a little bit. I like that it didn't get gunky at all in the nose area. It looks really, really nice. I still think that, I'm pretty impressed. I was really expecting this. Remember last time I tried on Kat Von D's other foundation, I was getting bumps all over my face, but not this time. This one actually came out really good, but it's not transfer proof. As you can see where I wore my glasses, there was like some transfer that happened. But I would give this foundation, I'm gonna give it a 4 because I really hated the packaging. It really, really, like, that packaging just sucks. And second, I feel like I needed to wear a lot. I need to put on a lot of the foundation to make it look like this, you know, but it does look nice.
And it does have like more of a, it doesn't have such radiance. It's more of a little bit more of like a matte flat look, but then I use like bronzer and stuff like that to make it look a lot more alive. But that's another thing, it's a little too matte for me. And then it did oxidize really, really quick. So it's not like a super perfect foundation. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I wore this for 10 hours and it really, really looks good. If you're a Kat Von D fan and you know you like the brand and you wanna try out this foundation, you should try it out, but be careful of that packaging. That packaging was kind of whack. If they change that foundation into a pump, maybe I would really love it. But yeah, this is really good, really solid. It looks really good. Like, I mean, it's amazing. I also think it's the primer. The primer that I use, I've been using for Solly's Unicorn Essence. And I swear to God, that primer makes any foundation look really, really good. So tomorrow I'm going to test another foundation out and I'm going to use a different primer just to kind of like see if primer really matters, you know what I mean? So I am off, you guys. I'm gonna go fall asleep. I hope I didn't jibber jabber. I'm not feeling too well. My eyes are burning. Like I could just tell I'm getting sick. And I'm trying to fight it off like I'm not getting sick, but I really am getting sick. So I look crazy. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.